Remove the new Ezywiper blade from its packaging. Your car's wiper arm needs a different adapter than the one on the blade. To remove the adapter, locate the arrow at the top, then gently push in the opposite direction until it disengages. Now locate the arrow on the blade mount. Next, from the bag of adapters supplied with the blade, select the S6 adapter. It has S6 printed right at the base. The bottom of the adapter has a slot that fits over the mount on the blade. Check the arrow on the blade mount is pointing towards the front, the nose of the adapter, and gently fit the adapter onto the mount. Slide the adapter in the direction of its arrow until it locks into place. Lift the car's rear wiper arm off the rear screen as far as it will go. To remove the current wiper blade, push the button down and slide the blade away from the arm. To fit the new Ezywiper blade, line the wiper blade up with the arm. Firmly push the Ezywiper blade in until it locks into place. Don't forget to remove the protective sleeve from the Ezywiper blade before placing the arm back on the rear screen.